So YouTube, welcome to our kitchen. Tonight I'll be, right now I'm going to be, preparing some, going to put roast pork. Yeah, we're going to attempt that. As again, a lot of these things that I'm doing is the first I'm trying them, and I'm getting my cooking groove on. And again, as I said, if you don't see anything and you want us to cook, just subscribe or even share, comment, and tell us what you like to see us do and everything. So I'm going to attempt roast pork for the first time. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the pork. I'm going to be seasoning it. Yeah. This is the pork right here. Right here. So, yeah. So, I have my scallion and my time I'm going to blend up them thing over here. So, maybe I'm secret blend up and soak them inside of it. Yeah. And then I have some other seasoning over across beside me there. Let me go over here. So, I have my cool runnings, my all-purpose, my salt, my paprika, my black pepper, and my brownie onion. So I'm going to just prepare my thing, I'm going to season my thing, and look forward to seeing that. The first, and I'm looking. I believe it's going to taste good. Cooking is a science, and just watch the thing. Stay tuned as me season up my pork. All right. So hello, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be seasoning my pork right now, preparing it for when I'm going to be putting it in the oven. I'm going to be seasoning from today, so the pork is going to, they clean up already, so I'm going to be seasoning it and then cook it, give it a couple of days, like Tuesday. So right now, I'm going to be seasoning the pork and let the seasoning marinate and soak in and, really juicy up the thing. All right, so you can start any way you want to do it. You want to do it any way you want to do it. So I'm going to be starting with my all-purpose, all-purpose seasoning pimento in it. Just have some throw it on it, rub it on, yeah, rub on the thing. So this is a heavy meat. It's a very big meat, you see, very big. Seasoning it on both sides. Yeah, man. Rub on the thing. It's going to taste good, As I said, it's the first time trying this. Trying the seasoning on it. As I always tell you, you must always, one man said, you must under-season, you must at least over-season your food. You're not under-seasoning. Put herbal, something, herb spice. This is herbal, put some garlic. I'm gonna be blending up garlic with my scallion and stuff. Just rub on the thing. Yeah. Rub it on. Right. Spin it over and on with the other side. Yeah. Like how this smells. It's a very big meat, yeah? Put some of that. I'm going to be adding some salt, yeah? Alright. But I always tell you, remember the salt the seasoning of salt in it already. Yeah? Alright. Put a little more. Alright, that's a very big meat I'm dealing with, yeah? Then add a little bit of some black pepper. So I'm seasoning this thing down, man. Way down. Getting it into the crevice of the meat, yeah? Rubbing it in. As I said, I'm not a chef, I'm just trying a thing. You never get a video of me tasting one food, but trust me, all of them, the bomb so far, right? Alright, so I'm adding a little bit. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm now adding my dried thyme. Popping the thyme on me. Well, I'm gonna rub this dried thyme And I'm going to also, when I'm preparing it, blend up some thyme in the thing, you know, let's try get some stem thyme. This is dried thyme, alright guys? Dried thyme. Cool running dried thyme. Alright? It's a heavy meat in the mind, it's a whole heap of meat. It's a whole heap of meat. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Seasoned, prepared, soon get ready for it. You know, gonna leave it. I'm gonna blend up the seasoning now and then pour on it. You're gonna see that when I'm done. So I'm gonna blend up some seasoning and come back and you're gonna see me pouring the seasoning, the blended seasoning on it. You know, I'm making it, you know, I'm going to pour up using a fork and juke it up for the seasoning to go down in the meat and germinate. Not that germinate, not that a joke, but marinate in the thing and, you know, make it seasoned and set. And when you put it, it does cook. You know, the seasoning does soak it and cook that. So the next level of this, just season the thing, put the foil paper, you know, put something on it, and I want all the seasoning and things to go in and marinate the pork and, you know, really season it well, season that when, you know, the heat catch it and everything start come together, you know. But you will see when I'm putting it in the oven, all right? But I just show you me preparing it because I don't want nobody to say it's not me prepare it, it's not me season it. I didn't clean, my wife liked to clean the meat, but you know, I am the one who season it. I'm the one who will prepare it. You know, this is gonna be my oven roast pork. And you're gonna see the end product. You're gonna see when it's plated, you're gonna see the texture. You know, I'm gonna even show a part when my wife is eating it and she's gonna, you know, be the judge, and you know, and then you guys gonna comment and tell me what you think. And remember to like this video, you know, like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video, you know. I put the gravy and everything in my foil tin, ready to be put into the oven, right? And watch this, yeah man, see there, seasoning, see the seasoning on it, bubbling up and germinate, you know, marinating, not to say germinate, but marinating and soaking in, yeah. There you go, there you go. Like how it look? Tell me if you don't like how it look. Yeah man, see there? From yesterday season, thing them gone in. Yeah man, I love how it look myself too. Moment of truth is when I taste it. Yeah man. Alright ladies and gentlemen, getting ready to put it into the oven. My oven is preheated and it's ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Get my thing. It's ready. I'm gonna get my cover. I don't have a pot roast pot yet. Soon I can get one. Buy one, but for now I'm gonna be using my foil pin. Now putting this in my oven that is very hot at this moment at 400 degrees. Let me put this down a while. Hold on. 400 degrees. It's gonna be in the oven for 1 hour. When we come and look at it, you see the process. And I'll come back and show the thing, show the process, and then put it in back for another hour. You know, let the thing just roast and soak and juicy up. Alright? This is what happened after 1 hour. You can see the steam coming from it. My God, man, you tell me what you think about this. Looks good. This looks delicious. It smells delicious. You know, so I'm going to flip it for another hour on the other side, and then after that hour I'm going to take it back out again and take the foil off the top and let now the oven give it a bit of color. But look at that, man. Wow, it smells good. The truth is in the pudding when I taste it, man. Yeah, brown and baked, roasted, and see the liquid in the thing, you know all the liquid of juice and seasoning and thing in it. So I'm going to be flipping it on the other side and doing the other side now. All right, soon come back, just let you see the other side when it's done and I do the other side. That's what it looks like. You know, this was at the bottom. I'm gonna cover this for another hour and let that other side now, you know, get most of the brunt of the heat, and let the heat and everything do the work. You know, it's looking good, man. I'm impressed. For the first time I'm doing this, you guys gonna grade me, comment and all kind of thing. Grade me and tell me what you think. Yeah, oven roasted pork. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. My oven roasted pork. My God, I'm so proud of myself. Yes, sir. Ready to be cut, ready to be served to the bone. And man, the brown and the fat is, man, this was done in 2 hours and about, you can do it through about 2 hours and 45 minutes in all. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. My God, I'm proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. No, sir. Can't believe this is me. Yes, there we go. And gentlemen, there you go. Oven roasted pork. I'm so proud of myself. You tell me, please like, share, subscribe, comment, leave your comment, anything you want me and Katie to do. Tell us and we will try it. It's the first I'm doing this, and trust me, it tastes so good. You see it here? Yo, you can open a restaurant. Trust me, I'm proud of myself. I want to come. Yo, I'm gone.